Get the ellipse tool. Draw a circle. Center the anchor point with the anchor point tool. Align to the center of the composition. Change the stroke size. Name the layer. Grab the pen tool. Turn on the title action safe as a guide. Hold Shift to draw a straight line. Under Contents, Shape 1, Stroke 1. Change the line cap to round cap. Name the layer. Grab the pen tool, draw a second line. Under Contents, Shape 1, Stroke 1. Change line cap to round cap. Rename the layer. Bring up the rotation for the long arm with the R key. Press the stopwatch. Move to frame 30. Change the rotation value to 3 times. Select the keyframes, F9 to easy ease, head into the speed graph. Drag the handle to the left. Bring up the rotation for the short arm. Press the stopwatch. Move over to frame 30. Change the rotation to 90 degrees. Select the keyframes, F9 to easy ease. Head into the speed graph. Drag the handle to the left. Preview the animation. Subscribe for more tutorials.